Sa yung statement, okay na sana ako. I really thought it was a heartfelt statement and I felt you. Naramdaman kita. And this is probably one of your lowest points and somehow you're a friend and I really wish you the best. May isa lang sabit sa akin, may isang butas lang doon sa statement. Nung sinabi mo wala kang kaalam-alam, meron kayong exchange ng text messages ni Anthony na delete tayo. Can you delete screenshots and messages? Sagot ni Anthony, alam mo, hindi pa naman ako nag-delete. This is paraphrasing it. Pero gets mo kung bakit kailangan natin mag-delete. And then there was a line in that conversation that said, someday, hindi tayo kinakailangan mag-delete. Hindi tayo kinakailangan magtago. So, to say that you didn't have any knowledge that they were still together, medyo question ko as an audience, as a commentator. Yun lamang po,